What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala games. We're sitting at 0.04168, up 3.6 on the day. Same market at 1.27 billion, 24-hour volume 195 million. Quick plug of the signals, which are free. Last week was pretty mediocre, down 72% on that week, but all weeks before that in crypto. Let me scroll up here. Nice 218% gain the week before, and the week before that we had 1,115%. I'm mostly focused this week on trading Gala. We did have a couple stop losses, but before that, TP3 106%, TP1 41%, TP2 51%. TP2, TP3, 108%. So I am trading Gala quite a bit. You can gain free access at the end of the video. So here we are on Gala. I think we could be going through an ABC correction in a leading diagonal in a 4. Now this does get rather shady once we start to break out of this wedge, but we could potentially see a bear trap. There is a bear scenario of a new bear market low if things get really nasty. But as of right now, we have 1, 2, wave 3 pushed up in a wave 4. Now we may look to push up to the 50%. We have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. As you can see, we're creating lower lows, higher lows. We are starting to push up just a little bit. Money's flowing back in. So what you may see is Gala is going to make that push. So you're going to have an A, B, C up to the 50% retracement at 0.051 and then come back down for that wave 5. If we break above the 50%, that would be a bullish signal. But as of right now, it does look like we're going through a wave 4 correction. Weekly chart, pretty crucial that we hold these weekly EMAs. We're just retesting them right now. If we start to lose those, that could definitely be a bearish signal. If things were to get really bearish and Gala breaks these weekly EMAs, the weekly support, then you'd be looking to come down to this range right in here. That could bring you all the way down to 0.0222. And if we break that, then there is a possibility of creating a new bear market low. So if I zoom out on this chart on the daily, even this leading diagonal, it's not that pretty. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4. The invalidation is 0.0199, which is that wave 2 low. If that were to be broken, then your next support is basically the bear market low at 0.013. That's worst case scenario. But until that level is broken, there's definitely the opportunity that we hold a pullback here. We put in one more lower low, and if we see a significant bounce, then we can start to push up in that wave 5. All right, gang, but either way that Gala goes, up or down, I will be trading it and giving signals in the Discord. And if you want completely free access, all you have to do is sign up to BTCC. This is where I'm trading Gala. 10% back on your fees. Grab those bonuses, sign up through my link. Once you make your first deposit, it can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Just send me email, and I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. As I mentioned, I am focused on trading Gala right now. Also 50x sniper, 100x sniper, 4x signals as well. I'm trading US 30 with a lot of success. I've only hit one stop loss this week. The rest of the US 30 trades have been win, win, win. So all links down below. Go check them out. Smash out that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.